Hey everyone, it's CJ from OcularCMS. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your site so that you can submit it to search engines like Bing and Google. Bing has a webmaster tool and Google has their webmaster tools as well. The same basically applies to other search engines, but I'm going to focus on these two right now. Essentially, when you create set up your website with Bing Webmaster Tools, it right off the bat says, hey, copy and paste this meta tag into your website so that we can verify that you own that site. Google does the exact same thing. They want you to verify that you own the site, and they have multiple ways of verifying. You would select the HTML tag option under verification methods, and it will give you a meta tag to copy and paste as well. So I am going to show you first how to add that meta tag to your website. This is your website. Let's pretend this is your website. I'm going to go into the main menu, and if you see a link that says switch to advanced mode, click that. Otherwise, you're already in advanced mode, and click on manage site and optimization. Now, optimization has a number of different areas that are appropriate for optimizing your website. There are videos describing meta tags, page titles, analytics, and so on, 301 redirects. But what I'm going to focus on is the search engine verification as well as submitting your sitemap. But first, let's verify that the website. So it basically tells you go to the meta tags section, and what we're going to do is we're going to click the plus button so that we can create one. Now I can tell you that both Bing and Google will give you a meta tag. You're going to basically recreate this meta tag here. So in both of their cases, you will select name equals, and then in the case of Bing, it's msvalidate.01. That's usually what they're working on with right now. In Google's case, it's Google-site-verification. Basically, you would paste that into there for the respective search engine. And then the content, and they're going to give you a unique identifier, a long string of characters. Once you have entered in those two, then just click Add Tag, and that's it. It adds that tag in real time to your website, and then you can go back to your Bing or Google Webmaster Tools, and you can click to verify. And that way it will check in real time to make sure that that tag exists on your site, and then they will officially recognize that you own that website. The next thing that you're going to want to do for the Webmaster Tools is to submit your sitemap. And basically, let's just go first of all back to that optimization page. Your sitemap, what that's referring to, is an XML file that contains all the pages of your website. I'm going to show you an example of a demo site that shows the different pages of the website. This is used by the search engines to basically use as a roadmap so that it can see what the pages are, and it can send out its spiders, its bots, and index those pages. So right here you will see your URL of the XML sitemap for your website. It is always going to be your domain name / sitemap.xml, so it makes it very simple. What you would do is you would copy this, and you would go over to your respective webmaster tool, whether it's Bing or Google or elsewhere, and you would paste that in where it asks for your XML sitemap. Those two steps, the verification and the sitemap, are essentially the basis for what you need in order to get going with those webmaster tools, so that they can index your site and make sure that they've always got the most recent content available. If you have any other questions about meta tags, page titles, and so on, check out other demo videos. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.